In today's video, we are going to compare Claude Code for a front-end design, only a local landing page, compared to Codex. So we'll rate them on speed, accuracy of the output, and the overall look of the page. So let's get right to this. First, we're just simply going over the prompt in which we use the front-end design skill, just a simple create a landing page, local accounting business, 3 colors so that the AI will know before what kind of colors it will use and we won't have that ugly vibe coded purple and orange. Then 0 of focus so that we'll have some optimization, some lead form, some call to action, phone number, and we'll see how each of the AI treats this, and then the general stack, which will be Next.js. So let's get right into this, then we shall come back with the results. Codex seemed to be done in only 1 minute and something, and just after that edited some files so it wouldn't have any error. So while we're waiting for Claude, let's take a quick look at whatever Opus has already created. So we can see not so good of a general page. 1 second, let me size this up. Okay, so I like the design. It doesn't look vibe coded at all, but the fonts tend to be a little bit too big. The form should fit, and the text and the overall above the fold section should be above the fold. It seems to bleed through the first couple or 2 points below the page, so I don't like this, but I think by just making the title with a smaller font and just cutting up a little bit of this, we can make this a lot better. But as for now, this is the first prompt and we are going only to evaluate this. So as for the overall design, I really like it. It doesn't give me a vibe coded feel at all, but I don't like how the proportions are. So that would be it. In general, the copy seems to be pretty alright, but I don't see any testimonials. I don't see a really good call to action. I don't see anything in the header right here. Nothing. I like that the form only has 3 fields. I like that we have a call, but there seems to be a lot missing. Now FAQ, nothing. But for something in only 1 prompt, I think it's good enough. So let's see if Claude is ready. Until then, yes, it is. So let's just create a new terminal, cd into Claude, and run the dev so we can compare the 2 pages. Okay, just put this up. First thing, we see a way better viewport, but I already see this bubble right here, and the texture gives me a lot more of a vibe coded feel. Like from the get-go, as I've created many websites, these have already a vibe coded feel compared to the other one. But I do like this section a lot more. This fact that we have a full on header, the copy, I like it a little bit more, and especially how the page fitment looks like, the viewport exactly. The services list looks better. Here we should have a photo. We didn't provide one, but for this test, this looks good. And just the thing that Claude has think to add something like a photo is really good. Testimonials, and the form has too many fields. But as an overall, this looks a lot better in terms of conversion. So from the 2, I would pick the following. In terms of a CRO based, Claude design works and for sure wins, as in the overall design, like the edges, the colors, everything, I would pick Codex, and for the speed I will pick Codex again. But in my opinion, if you only have one and one only out of the Codex and Opus, I would go 100% with Opus, especially if you are building and having to building landing pages and want to have that good converting experience, because Codex can't really create that good of a design. Even if you nudge it, even if you give the right skills to it, it wouldn't perform as good as as Claude. Codex won't be as good as Claude. I don't know why, but it's a lot faster. Like Claude took around 4 minutes for this, yet Codex done it in 1.5. So that's the thing. If speed is a thing for you, just think about it. So that would be it for the video. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next one.